In 1784, the Governor General of India, Warren Hastings, has decided to store a large amount of grains. For that, he has created a granary. Okay, and he ordered the John Gaston to create a granary, and then the John Gaston has created this. Just look. Okay, this is the granary where grains were used to store. And this granary is at Patna, Bihar. The height of this granary is 29 meter and the base wall of this granary is around 3.9 meter. And currently it is known as Gol Ghar. It is a tourist spot of Patna and it is called as Gol Ghar. The structure of this granary is like stupa, and now I will show you the closer look of this granary. Okay. This is the base wall of Gol Ghar, and some names are written on the base walls of this tourist place. And the people who has created this Gol Ghar is written on this wall. Okay, the message is like this is a granary and John Gaston has created this, and this was completed in 1786. This was this message. And these are small gates. Means there are many gates like this, and right now means people can see that this gate is able to open from outwards, but when the engineers of this granary initially created this building, they decided to open the gate from inner side, and then the stairs are also here. Okay, I am showing you the stairs of this granary. Yeah, these are the stairs. The stairs are now closed, but before hundreds of years people used to climb through these stairs, and then they used to load and upload the grains from the top of the granary. These are the stairs. Four lower gates and two side stairs has built on this Gol Ghar, and this is a gate number 1, and then I will show you the gate number 2. Okay, the gate number 2 is here, This is a gate number 2, and then these are the stairs. These are the stairs. Okay. After 2 gates, there is a 1 staircase, and like that way they have built this Gol Ghar. And originally this was a granary where grains were used to store. Right now the Gol Ghar is surrounded by the park, and they have created a playground is also. That this is a playground where kids are playing, and the Bihar government used to charge 5 rupees of ticket to enter this Gol Ghar. And from 2013 the Bihar government has arranged a laser show to show a history of Bihar. And finally, if you like this video, then hit a like button, and if you dislike this video, then hit dislike button. And please comment below this video. And if you want some more video like this, means this is an informative video, and if you and if you want some more informative video, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you.